But like that story was awfully dark.
I mind it.
Okay, we have a challenge.
What's up?
Yes.
Each person in the room needs to wear the chicken hat one at a time.
For any length of time?
For 15
That's a duck, Dix.
No, that's a chicken. For 15 seconds each.
Okay.
I think we can make that a little more interesting while we do it.
Sure.
Can we have some music for that? Let's save the chicken impersonations till we actually have the hat. So I think we should pass the chicken hat around.
Okay.
When you're wearing it,
Wait, how long?
you become a chicken, and everybody is very concerned for you.
I like that.
So
Are we start- when are we
I guess I
starting?
can go first.
No, Dix has already got the hat on.
Oh, Dix, what's up? Sorry, what?
Oh God, he's finally cracked. Dix, are you okay?
Dix? Somebody call 911.
I think it's very
No, seriously, get on the phone. What? Oh my God.
I have a vlog thing to do.
Quickly!
Get it off of him.
Quickly, somebody get that hat off him!
That was for
Oh no.
Yeah, that's much better.
Oh my God, now we have a peacock.
Oh no!
Where
We're
are the
affecting
police?
Pika now!
Somebody take it off her! Don't get it near you! No, Matt! No!
I can't resist it!
No!
This was always inevitable.
Oh, maybe we should just get a gun.
No, don't.
Taka, save him!
Stop pecking! Stop pecking!
Oh no!
It's so funny though. Bye.
No, no, don't put it. Oh, seriously?
Oh, Taka, you shouldn't have. That was incredibly foolish. Whoa, where's he going?
It's going.
And that's the last we ever saw of him.
Alright. Oh, wow. Whoa, what happened? The sudden urge to mate as a chicken. I have no idea why.
Anyone else? Oh God!
No, Ian, not Ian! Not Ian!
Something has clearly infected this hat. I suspect foul play. Oh.
Foul play. It's like a war zone in here. We're being shelled. Beach, no! Not Beach!
Just die.
We need I need an old priest and a young priest.
Oh no! Don't crash, guys! Guys!
There's nothing different.
Guys, has anybody in this family even seen a chicken?
Somebody choked the life out of it.
What happened?
I was wearing the perfect shirt for this yesterday.
Wow.
Zeta shift is best.
Oh no.
You and me should have an argument soon.
We should. I might need somebody to drive because I have some major concerns about being able to drive under the influence of that thing. Hey, look, it's the drugs from Sleeper.
This is very concerning.
There's a little. That's a nice little advance I made there.
This is why we can't have nice things, Taka.
Jeez. This is true. It's why I'm backing away from it because I'm gonna play with it again because it was large and shiny.
Ah,